Today, I'll be teaching you a breathing exercise that I use to relax in stressful situations. Being relaxed is a key component of having a good poop. Many people do not realize the benefits of centering yourself during a bathroom trip. This technique has helped thousands of my patients relax so they can poop better. I'm Nurse Wong, and this is Butt Talks. Is called Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, also known as Alternate Nostril Breathing. This is an old Indian Sanskrit phrase with Nadi meaning channel, nerve, pulse, or river, Shodhana meaning purification, and Pranayama meaning breath of life or regulation of breath. Think of it as purifying your mind, body, and spirit throughout the breath. First, make sure your nostrils are clear of any mucus. Sit in a comfortable upright position. Next, gaze ahead, focusing your eye on one specific object or area ahead of you. Tune out the rest of the world, focusing only on your breathing. Breathe fully and slowly through your nose, inhaling and drawing in your belly button, and exhaling, expanding down towards your belly button, relaxing your stomach muscles with every breath. Once you've paced your breathing, position your right hand as seen. Cover your right nostril with your thumb and continue breathing at your own pace with slow and full breaths. Inhale and exhale through your left nostril. Next, cover your left nostril with the same hand, but with your ring finger. Inhale and exhale slowly and fully through your right nostril while maintaining your focus on the breath. Focus on your diaphragm, moving it up and down through every breath. This is one cycle. For viewers with limited manual dexterity, you do not have to use the specific finger position above. You can switch hands or use whichever finger is most comfortable for this breathing exercise. Repeat these cycles 3 to 5 times on each nostril. You'll notice your entire body and mind gradually becoming relaxed. I personally recommend this exercise for those who have trouble passing poops, staying focused on the toilet, and are feeling stressed or bothered during a bathroom trip. This technique can help you poop better, along with getting you through the ups and downs of daily life. The benefits of practicing alternative nostril breathing includes relaxing your body and mind, reducing anxiety, and promoting your overall well-being. Think back to your last bathroom trip. Did you take time to center yourself and focus on the tasks at hand? Or did you unintentionally rush through the process? Actually, this is a good time to disconnect from technology and focus on having a positive pooping experience. However, it doesn't benefit you to carry the stresses of your day or distract yourself with irrelevant subjects while sitting on the porcelain throne. You may be finding yourself rushing, pushing, and straining just to relieve yourself, which doesn't make for a great poop experience. If this sounds like your poop experience, watch our other video on how to poop properly to learn more. Pooping should be a special moment for you. We live in a fast-paced society with so many distractions, which makes it more important than ever to slow down and center yourself when you need it the most. My slogan for the best bathroom experience is, don't poop in text. Daily stress and worrying plague a majority of people, both young and old. It's well known that stress can lead to negative health effects, including obesity, anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, increased intake of drugs and alcohol. This stress can affect all your bodily processes and make it difficult to practice healthy habits. Next time you're in the bathroom, try this breathing technique for the best pooping experience. If you like our video, press the like button below. Comment on what you would like to learn about next. For more tips and tricks from Butt Talks, subscribe to our channel. Have a great poop day!